Okay, the first thing is that when you make your full job, so you remember we need to have 3 folders. Okay, the first one is the plans. Okay, and the next is sheet, and the last one is support. Okay, okay. The first thing is when you go in the plan folder, when you go for the plan folder, you should have all these files in this folder. Okay, like for example, I will just open the list of drawing. Okay, so when you open the list of drawing, you need to follow the list of drawing to close your project. Okay, so according to the list of drawing, the first drawing is the cover sheet. Okay, and the next drawing is list of drawing, that is this drawing, and you know how to make this drawing. And then the next sheet is the site plan, the next one is the floor plan, then furniture layout, flooring layout, section layout, section A, section B. If any project is having section C, section D, then you have to include it. Okay, and then doors and windows details. Okay, fine. Now when I go to the folder here, so according to the list of drawing, okay, according to the list of drawing, we have the cover sheet. Cover sheet will be in the sheet folder. Okay, see, you have to remember this setup because you will have the same setup for all the projects which you will do here. Okay, that means always when you have a list of drawing, the first one, the cover sheet, will be in the sheet folder. Okay, that is ID cover sheet. Okay, now the next list of drawings. Okay, you will go in the plan folder, you will have the list of drawings. Okay, then what is next? Site plan. So you have here the site plan. What is next? Floor plan. You have here the floor plan. The next is furniture layout. You have here the furniture plan. The next is flooring layout. Here you have the flooring plan. Section layout, you have the section plan. Section A, section B, and doors and windows details. Okay, so the first thing is we should have all these drawings in this folder that is called as the plans. Okay, now I will open one by one drawings, but I want to open as per the list of drawings. For example, the first is the cover sheet. Okay, I go in the sheet folder and now I am opening the cover sheet. Okay, so this is my cover sheet. Okay, so this is my cover sheet. Okay, this is the cover sheet. I have prepared this cover sheet, so you have to prepare the same cover sheet by yourself. So it doesn't matter how much values you are going to take from all these sites. Like for example, here I have taken the value as 330. It's okay. Just you need is you need a portrait kind of a thing, and you need to insert the image for Indo-Pacific Academy, and you need to insert the image for the preview of the project, and then the Universal Institute. All these 3 images I can give you. These 2 images I can give you. The same image, this one also I will give you, but If you want to change this image, you can go to the Google and you can download an image and you can insert here. Okay, if you have any questions about these images, how to enter it, we can discuss it later on, because they have already done it. Okay, and the cover sheet, for especially for the cover sheet, I can post a video for the cover sheet, so it is easy for you to just look and try to do it. Okay, so this is about the cover sheet. So I close it. So the first drawing is the cover sheet, and cover sheet is not having any connection to the project. It is just a preview of the project. Like when you have something label, you should have a label for what your work done about. Okay, now the next is the list of drawings. Okay, so I go to the folder plans and I open the list of drawings, which is open already here. So this is the list of drawing. Okay, the next is the site plan. So we open the site plan. Okay, it's easy, you have already done it, but the thing is you have to show the north arrow here. Okay, always we have a standard that all the projects are coordinated by the north arrow. Okay, so that it is easy to detect on the site how is the drawing. Okay, so this is your site plan. Okay, after site plan we have the floor plan. Okay, so I go to the folder floor plan. Okay, so you know everything about this, how it is done, and once you make the floor plan, you name it as ID floor plan. Okay, and the next is furniture layout. Okay, this is the furniture layout. Okay, why I am opening each sheet is because when you are doing this work, maybe you are doing the full work in one file. Okay, when you finish your work, the important thing is that you should have all these files in your folders separately done. Okay, floor plan separate, flooring plan separate, furniture plan separate, and then finally we have the section plan. So this is a section plan, it's section A and section B. Okay, you know it is a copy of furniture plan, just we are showing this two lines. Okay, then after that section layout we have section A. Okay, so I open section A. Okay, this is my section A. I just rotate it like this. Okay, I'll tell you why I rotated it. And then we have section B. This is section B. Okay, and then the last is doors and windows details. Okay, this is just a representation of the door. How is the door design and how much is the height and width, just elevation. Like this is my toilet doors, this is the main door, and this is the door for the rooms, and this is the kitchen window, and this is the ventilation. Okay, and this is the main window. Okay, so the first step for today's class is that what all files you have for in your folder, you should have all these files for sure. Like when you open the video again and you recap yourself, then you should have all these files separately. Okay, and for example when you go back again, like for example if I open the floor plan, in your drawing in the floor plan you should have only these objects, nothing else, no other drawings, no blocks or nothing, just the clear drawing like this and the north arrow. For the north arrow you can go to the Google and you can download a lot of north arrows. There are a lot of north arrows. The simple north arrow, the simplest form of north arrow can be like this also. Just like this. No need for east, west, south. Just we need to show where is the north arrow. Like we can just show the direction. Okay, like this. But anyhow, you have a lot of blocks for the north arrow. You can download and you can just bring and show here. Okay, fine. Is it clear, or you have any questions? The only thing is that I need all the plans to be together in one folder with correct names, and all the names should be arranged like this. Okay, and in the sheet folder we have the cover sheet. Okay, and this logos, and I will give you this logos, no problem. Okay, and then finally we have the support folder. Okay, in the support folder we have a special file called as the title frame. Okay, I will give you this frame. Okay, this frame is for printing works. Okay, we remember when you've done AutoCAD, so we have to the drawing title, we have to write here what is the drawing title, date, check, drawn, scale, approved, drawing number. I will explain detail. So once you have this file, we will see the next step what will be there. Okay, so once again I repeat, in the plan folder you should have all these files. The total there are 9 items, that means there are 9 files altogether. Okay, and then when you go for the sheet folder, you have 5 items, that is 1 AutoCAD drawing and the remaining as logos. Okay, and then we go for the support folder. We have the title frame and then the logos. Okay, we can ignore this file. Okay, you have any questions till here? Yes, Fatima, any question till here? Sure.
We have it till we done. till we do it. No?
Yeah.
हाँ, अभी तो बहुत easy लग रहा है देख के.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So the only thing is till now we are just organizing the file.
I need to change the name and ground floor ground
Yeah,
floor, copy
exactly.
copy
Yeah, this is yes, exactly. This is I
नाम
need.
लिखना है.
Yes, this is I need from you.
Yeah.
Till now, whatever names you have given,
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
Maybe you have 2-3 files mixed together.
Yeah,
That's okay. The first step is that you have to simplify your files, give the correct names, and delete what you don't need from the drawing.
Yeah.
Like in the furniture plan, you will have only the furniture.
Yeah.
In the flooring plan, you will have only the flooring.
Yeah.
In the section plan, only the section. List of drawing, only this list, nothing else other than that. Okay.
तो अब आप ना एक एक उसकी बस खाली फोटो खींचने, लाइक